Hey, don't.
Hey, don't feed him the green part. Feed him the red part, yeah. Is it yummy? Little Mr. Pig
He
kinda.
doesn't like it. He does.
Hey, hey Kaka, you don't eat the green part. You eat the red part. Like
Mommy,
you know,
now
huh?
can I jump in the water?
Yes, you can.
Take
Your shirt off and then jeans off. Just the underwear. Come on. You better hurry.
Is it for real?
Yeah, for real.
You only got a couple chances.
Come on.
Now or never.
Come on, go. Are you gonna do it now or not, Toma?
When are you going to say to do it again?
Do it now. 1, 2, 3, go.
Kaka, you wanna go too?
Hey, stand down there and take your shirt off.
Are you being shy? Okay, well then.
Okay, then you're not gonna do it.
Kaka, let's go do that. Are you ready, Kaka? Come on.
I'm already have his stuff off.
Yeah.
If I was already
Hey, Kaka.
I promise I'll do it.
You better hurry if you do it. What, Kaka?
Whatever, please go.
That's okay. You're a baby.
Huh?
Man, are you being chicken? He's so being shy. Hey, Kaka, sit down, play. Sit, Kaka. Kaka. Sit
Take
down.
your shirt off.
Are you for real, Daddy?
Yes.
Hey, little two skinny babies.
Hurry up.
What? I don't want to take my jeans off.
You can take your jeans off. You're just a little boy. It's
My
okay.
pants won't come off.
No, if you take the zipper down.
Here, I'll help you.
See?
I don't want to.
It's okay.
I just want no.
Okay, if you don't want to, that's fine. You're missing out on some fun now.
Kaka, ready to go? Come on, Kaka.